Hello everyone, today we are going to be adding this and putting it on this and all of this and then also putting it on this. Then once we do that we can have a really cool shot. Okay, so we got everything ready, now we just gotta pour that. Okay, you see all that? You see that? It's in little cracks. Okay, let's clean that up. Alright, I'm just gonna tap oh wow. See, I can tap this with movie magic. You know, like, I can do that. I'm goated. Forgot about that. Okay, now we got everything on there, and we just need to make it move for one of the shots. Okay, so if we go to Control, X, Y, and Z, and now we just got Homer real quick. Oh yeah, look at that go, look at that go, look at that go. Look at that go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's go. Okay. Alright, it's homed. Now we can make a move. Alright, here's the final shot.